Hi friends, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support means a lot. Now, let's dive into today's topic. Imagine this, a freshly machined component, let's say a critical engine bracket, just passed through quality inspection using a height gauge, a caliper, and a surface plate. Everything looked fine, until the part reached final assembly. That's when things fell apart, literally. Misaligned holes, inconsistent flatness, and a key feature off by just 0.2 millimeters. The entire batch was scrapped. Time, money, and trust gone. What went wrong? The measuring tools used weren't wrong, but they were limited. Manual inspection, while useful, often lacks the precision and consistency needed for complex geometries or tight tolerances. That's exactly where the coordinate measuring machine, or CMM, changes the game. A CMM is like the brain and eyes of a quality lab combined into one powerful machine. It uses a probe, either touch-based or non-contact like a laser or camera, to scan an object's surface and capture its precise 3D coordinates. Those data points are then compared to the part's CAD model or drawing, identifying deviations down to microns. No guesswork, no interpretation errors. What makes CMMs so effective is their unmatched accuracy, repeatability, and flexibility. Whether you're measuring hole positions, flatness, perpendicularity, or complex 3D profiles, the CMM handles it all, quickly and with digital precision. It reduces human error, speeds up inspection, and gives you clear, traceable reports that boost confidence across departments. You'll find CMMs in aerospace, automotive, die and mold shops, and anywhere precision matters. Whether it's a manual bridge-type CMM or a fully automatic CNC model, this tool is an essential upgrade over traditional gauges. Hello friends. If this video helped you understand the topic better, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Your support helps us grow this learning community and continue sharing practical knowledge from the industrial and manufacturing world. And if you enjoyed this simple and clear explanation, be sure to check out our earlier video on the V-block with clamp, where we broke down its purpose, how to use it correctly, and tips for stable and accurate work holding, all in the same easy-to-follow style. You might pick up something that makes your inspection or machining setup even better.